Hello everyone. Did you know that operations research is applied to solve complex decision-making problems and improve efficiency across many industries? In business and supply chain management, it helps optimize inventory, transportation routes, and production scheduling to reduce costs and increase productivity. In healthcare, operations research supports hospital resource allocation, patient scheduling, and emergency response planning. Governments use operations research for urban planning, public transportation design, and policy analysis. Finance applies operations research for portfolio optimization, risk management, and forecasting. Additionally, operations research plays a key role in defense strategy, energy systems planning, telecommunications network optimization, and logistics operations. Overall, operations research provides analytical tools and models to make better strategic and operational decisions. What do you think about operations research? Please let me know by leaving a comment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.